Hopefully,
Okay, I'll try
nothing
it.
will go off this time.
So where is
3,
the starting point?
2, 1, start grinding. If my calculations are correct, this should be within around 2 minutes.
Let there be light!
What fuck? It stopped at the end. No, fuck. No. Here, it stopped here.
30 seconds.
Imagine if it's not long enough.
Oh no. 45 seconds. Hopefully my sentries are able to take care of the storm and nothing will just get into the way of the pipe.
Here I come!
Engineer, I'm waiting for you here so you can fix your mistakes.
Let there be light!
That's 1 minute.
Swarm, they're here.
Oh, that's the. Oh, I got knocked off by the shell back.
45 seconds left.
So much better than walking!
Why do I feel like the cave is crumbling apart around me? "30 seconds.
Over here by the marker point. See here.
20 seconds.
Connects the pipe segment. This is useless. This is a connector. Oh, something!
10 seconds.
That was hard work putting up. Look there.
Oh, wait, am I gonna join halfway?
Look over here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, sorry, I can't get you. I'm also trying to get the achievement.
You're almost
How did you die in
get it?
Hazard 1? I got it! I got it! That's exactly 22 minutes.